Namaskaram, this is your Chandu Mama. Welcome back to our calligraphy journey. I hope you have already purchased our calligraphy learning kit, right? Wonderful. Today I will briefly explain the materials included in your calligraphy kit. Our kit is specially designed to make your learning process easy, comfortable and well structured. First, you will find a calligraphy textbook. This book is specially designed by me for easy step-by-step learning. It will guide you through the basics of modern calligraphy. You will also receive two notebooks. One notebook is for writing important notes and tips. The second notebook is for regular practice. Remember, practice is the key to improving your calligraphy skills. You will get a 4B drawing pencil kit. For the first 3 months, we will use this pencil to develop hand control and improve stroke practice. After 3 months of practice, you will start using the calligraphy pen set to create beautiful strokes and lettering styles. Finally, you will receive a kit bag to safely store all your materials in one place. I hope you now understand how to use your calligraphy kit. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me anytime. I'll be happy to help you. You can reach me at. In our next video, I will explain how to use the calligraphy textbook step by step. Thank you for being part of this creative journey.